In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix OpenGL error in Minecraft. So let's get started. So we're going to look at some of the fixes that you could potentially do to fix this issue. The first one being, I'm just going to write it down. The first one being updating your graphic drivers. So update graphic drivers. So ensure your graphic card drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues and lead to OpenGL errors. The next one is check system requirements. So check system requirements. So verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft, and if it doesn't, consider upgrading your hardware. The next one is disable overlays. Okay, so disable any overlays from other applications like Discord or Steam that might interfere with Minecraft's launch. Then we have verify game files. Okay, so launch the Minecraft launcher and verify the integrity of your game files. This can help identify and fix corrupted files. The next one is that you have to try a clean install. Okay, and self-explanatory. This just means that if none of these above issue works, then you can just try reinstalling Minecraft once again to see if it fixes the error. Then we have check for conflicts. So if you recently installed any new softwares, try uninstalling to see if it's causing the conflict. The next one we have is update your Windows. So if you're currently running Windows 10, consider upgrading to Windows 11. Then we have adjust your graphic settings. So for this, you'll have to go to your game and settings, and you'll have to ensure that your graphic settings are the lowest possible. Then we have check for hardware issues. So hardware issues. So if the issue persists, it might be a hardware problem. So try testing your graphics card in another system or consult a technician for further checking. And the next one is that you could try a different version of OpenGL. Different version of OpenGL. So if you're using a custom OpenGL library, try switching to the default version that comes with your graphics card drivers. And if the issue still persists, you could consult Minecraft forums or communities. Online forums and communities dedicated to Minecraft often have discussions about common issues and potential solutions. Search for posts related to OpenGL errors to see if others have encountered similar problems. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.